today. The most important one? I don't actually think that's true. It's a really important one. There are three most important ones on your list, in my opinion. The first most important one, the first one that is the first of these important ones is this one. The next one that you're going to use a lot is going to be that if you have some log of x over y, that's going to be equal to the log of x minus the log of y. Okay? The next really important one says that the log of x to the r power is equal to r, so you pull the r out to the front, r log x, okay? Those are the three you're going to use the most.
You pull the R?
Yeah, it's the pirate property. All right. These properties are also at the back of the lesson in the little rectangle dealie. But there are a lot of them there. These are really the three properties we're going to be using. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and, so these are the properties. They're written in your book, in the back. Again, the ones we like the most, or that we use the most, are going to be these. On the very last page of the lesson, please, right before the problem set. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and use these. Where did this come from? My eraser, please. So it's weird, my eraser wasn't working, but here we go. Our opening exercise. We're going to use our property of logarithms to rewrite these things. So I can write log of 20 as log of 10 times 2, right? Fair enough? And then I can use that property that we just talked about, right? That if I have a product of two numbers, so I have a product of 10 and a product of 2, I can write that as the sum of two logs. Okay. Just real quick, log base 10 of x is the same thing as just log of x. So if you don't see a number there in the base, that means that it's log base 10. Just like, right, when you see a radical and there's no number there, it's assumed that it's a square root, right? You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Hey, what is log base 10 of 10? Yes. Because you ask yourself, if you're going to evaluate that, remember you ask yourself, 10 to what power is 10? 1. So this is 1 plus, and it told us already that log base 10 of 2 is approximately 0.301. And so that's going to be 1.301 if we add it up, all right? This is given. This information is given. Okay? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't just come up with that out of the book. All right. How about this one? This is log base 10 of what? 1/10. Or let's not skip. Let's go with 0.1 times 2, right? So that means that I can write that as log of 0.1 plus the log of 2. Isn't 0.1 the same thing as 1/10? Sorry, that is the worst looking parenthesis of my life ever. Okay. 10 to what power is 1/10? Yes. Yes. -1. Why is that? Because this is the same thing as 10 to the -1 power, right? So then I can rewrite this as -1 plus, we said log base 10 of 2, given in the original problem, was 0.301. I'm just doing every single little type. Yes. Well, this log base 10 of 1/10 is -1, right? Yeah? Okay. And then remember, it tells us what the number value for log base 10 of 2 is in the instructions. Cool. So then this one we can say is the same thing as log base 10 of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which then is log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 2 plus, log base 10 of 2. And I'm not going to put, right, that's going to be 0.301 plus 0.301 plus 0.301. We don't need it. What we need to do is we need to know how to use these properties, right? Okay. Let's apply our properties to one of these. So this is mainly pretty much the type of problem we're going to be doing. All right? So this is going to be equal to log base 4 of m squared plus log base 4 of n. Okay? So since this is a product, right? This says m squared times n, I'm allowed to split it out and look at it as a sum. Alright? The next property I'm going to use is the property that tells me I can take this exponent and put it out to the front. Okay, so if you have an exponent inside your logarithm, I'm going to take that number and put it out to the front. So this is going to become 2 log base 4 of m plus log base 4 of n. It is nowhere in your book, sorry. Which property? Properties which one?
The one you just mentioned, where you put the exponent over there.
It is property number 6. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so how did you get log base 10?
So it's assumed that if there's not a 10 there, if there's no number there at all, it's 10. So for instance, look at your calculator. It just says log on your calculator, right?
Yes.
That means that your calculator is giving you log base 10. So, and that was this. So I had written that down right here. So if there's not a basis, assume that's what it is. All right. I want to cover this up because Eureka's answer is wrong here.
Why is thrown hurts? The people who teach us math are getting their hands on wrong. I'm glad to hear that.
So we're going to cover that. And we're going to do it, right? You said you weren't sick.
No, it's because I'm freaking trying to breathe and running.
Okay, so remember I said that there was this property that says that if I have the log of x over y, that's the same thing as the log of x minus the log of y, right? We're going to use that property right now. So this becomes the log of 3m minus the log of and the k.
Good job.
Yeah.
What is drugs?
So I'm going to call this, first of all, I can now break this one up further, right? This is log base 10 to 3 plus, right, because this has 3 times m, I can break this up. And then I'm going to pull the 5 out, and this becomes log 5 log. You're just going to use those properties. So just like with your properties of exponents, you're going to get really comfortable with these. You're going to have them memorized, and it's going to be second nature to you. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's do it. Okay.
You gotta sing every time you do Here we go.
Okay, Dr. Gupta will do this one for you. Because when we requested that I come to teach you the properties of logarithms, and so very good is what I will do for you today. And so that is properties. What is telling me that I have a property that tells me I'm going to make this a negative. But what will I do for this? Where are my properties? Oh my goodness. Oh, there they are. Okay, here are my properties. And there is one that is very different. We have not used this one, but it tells me that this is true. That if I have 1 in my numerator and then I have some value in my denominator, I can just call this a negative log of whatever is in my denominator. So we will apply this property over here to the problem which we are working on right now. So I will make my way back and take this journey. So negative log base 5 of, so just the numerator, right? So this is m n to 4 power. And then it is necessary for me to take the 4, right? And I take it and I put it to front. And so it becomes negative 4 log base 5 of m times n. Now it appears that I am able to break this up as if it was a bad marriage. So what I'm going to do is leave the 4 on the outside and put parentheses there so that you can know that the 4 is going to go to both of the terms but I am going to be separating. Okay? So this becomes log base 5 of m plus log base 5 of n. Because look, what I have is a negative 4 times this whole thing. So I put it in the parentheses. But now it is necessary for me to put the 4 times. So this 4 times this. If I have a 4 on the outside, what I need to do is to distribute, right? So the negative 4 not only goes to the first term, but it is also going to go to my last term as well. Oh, so then it becomes a negative, right? Negative 4 log base 5 of n. The most common mistake that someone makes with this is they will go like this. So this is not equal to it, but it happens very much that someone will say that this is negative 4 log base 5 of m plus log base 5 of n. This is a mistake, very common, and you can see why. It would be an easy mistake to make. But you have to be careful that this negative 4, it lives with both of them. So do not do this when you are doing these problems. Very nice. Moving right along. Oh, now we will go the other way. We have expanded now to time to contract. As if you are a boa constrictor killing your prey. You will contract. Okay. Well, I think that because there are only 2 minutes left, we will finish this lesson next week, next time that we meet, and Mr. Dorman will come back for you. Thank you very much. Please come back to class again.